Hi everyone and welcome back. Want to stop apps from downloading automatically on your iPhone? Here's how to turn it off in just a few steps. So, let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Then select App Store. Here, look for the Automatic Downloads section. You'll find two options: App Downloads and App Updates. App Downloads automatically installs apps that you've downloaded or purchased on your other Apple devices. App Updates, as the name suggests, automatically updates your installed apps. If you want to stop both from happening automatically, simply turn both options off. That's it! Your apps will no longer download or update automatically, and you can choose when to do it manually. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.